Here's how we handled the breakout on SE. It was just a clean breakout. It had volume confirmation, as you can see right here, and a fast trim before the drop. It's a textbook setup that we use in Mission Winners. It's a textbook tactic. This is Pat Walker with Mission Winners. Let's just dive into it. Cut right to the chase. This forms a nice tight base. Everybody can see it. If I can see it, you can see it, everybody sees it, increases the potential, they'll buy too. Clean tops pushes through, and volume confirmation. Volume tells us again, other people see it and they're buying. We love breakouts with strong volume. Price and volume, it's a great signal, folks. That's what we wait for. The next day, the stock goes up, right here, as you can see. But notice what happens on this bar. Breakout on heavy volume, up on less volume. Tells you, it's kind of running out of power. You got to be careful. It's price is climbing, but the buyers aren't stepping into it. Look, less volume, heavy volume, less volume on this bar, even less volume on this bar. It's telling us the buyers aren't pushing it. And what do we do with that? It's a tactic that we used. When it's going up on less power, you sell some into strength. That's our edge. You trim when volume fades, and it works. You can see, look at the decreasing volume. We love that. Just going through here. One point I like to make is this. Goes up on decreasing volume, goes up on decreasing volume. You sell into strength, and you take it out. Gaps down right here on heavy volume. You can see this. And what do? First 10-minute bar, confirmed. Hey, they're selling there. There's weakness, gapping down. Sell it. We don't argue with it. We act, and it works. This is what I love. We're not guessing. We're letting price and volume tell us what to do. We're literally reading price and volume and following the plan. And the key point again, we never let a good profit turn into a loss. If you like seeing real setups and real tactics like this, make sure to subscribe to the video and hit like the video and hit the bell icon so you never miss a lesson. And if you want access to the full key list every night that we make, check out our VIP membership at missionwinners.com. Every night we make an in-depth key list, but more importantly, an in-depth video analysis on each chart, on what to look for and what to do. Missionwinners.com, and I thank you.